So Angie and I, my wife, moved back from Los Angeles a year ago next week. My father passed away and we inherited the house, and we were ready to leave Los Angeles, and we decided to move back to Liverpool, which is the house I grew up in, and take it on as a project. Pretty much everything was needed. I mean, there was one fire in the living room, no central heating, every window needed to be replaced, they were all original. Electrics, plumbing, I mean everything, plastering, there was nothing that did not need to be replaced. When I was researching who to choose to do the project, I don't usually pick 3 bids and do all that, which you're supposed to. I just researched online, read about different companies, and Daniel's kind of something about it just stood out, and I called him. I set up FaceTime call from Los Angeles, met him via FaceTime, and just felt he was the guy that could take us from start to finish on the project, as it was quite a big project. The guys were great. I mean, I couldn't have wished for a better bunch of guys. I mean, I enjoyed the 8 o'clock knock at the door in the morning and let them in and make the coffee and come down and hang out and chat with them. It was, they were all great. I mean, they were pleasant to be around, and you know, the work was good. I mean, it was just a good experience. Yeah, I think Daniel definitely met our expectations, and you know, even beyond. With it being such a big project, there was obviously challenges that cropped up that weren't, you know, expected in something of this size. And you know, Daniel dealt with them all really well and solved them. And yeah, it was good. It was good. Would I do it again? No, but it was worth it. I mean, I wouldn't live in it. I was advised not to live through it, but we chose to live through it, and it was worth it. But I wouldn't do it again.